Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the purpose and technical specs. This directs every search. Decide mood and duration first, then pick resolution and aspect ratio that match your project. Next, clarify licensing. You either need royalty-free, Creative Commons, or a commercial license. Once done, make a short checklist with mood keywords, resolution, frame rate, and license type. This prevents wasted downloads and legal trouble. Make sure your checklist is accessible while you browse, so every clip you consider meets these essential criteria. You now run focus searches using precise keywords and filters. Try combinations like subject plus mood plus resolution to narrow results quickly. When you find candidates, inspect previews at full resolution and check histograms to evaluate dynamic range. Make sure to read metadata for codec, frame rate, and color space. These determine editing ease. Once you shortlist clips, download proxies or watermarked previews first. This saves bandwidth and confirms suitability before you commit to high-resolution downloads or purchases. You finish by preparing chosen footage for your timeline. Transcode or generate proxies so playback stays smooth, and convert frame rates or color spaces to match your sequence. Then integrate clips, adjust timing by looping or trimming, and stabilize shaky shots if needed. Apply light grade and masks to blend backgrounds with foregrounds. Export a test render and check for artifacts. If a clip behaves oddly, recheck codec and color profile. If still broken, re-download a fresh copy. Keeping license proof handy avoids surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.